And they lived happily ever after. The end.
Holy cannoli! So boring! I could have made that story much better!
Really? And what would be the plot twist?
Let's say Ursula saves the prince and they run away together. Or Ariel refuses to give up her voice for just a human. And she's like, how could you do that? And the prince says, I'm sorry. And Ariel says, we're so over.
I guess we'd better write down this new version.
And then we'll hold a casting. Sorry, honey, but you don't fit in.
We'll make a perfect Ariel for this role. Let's go.
Yippee!
Hi guys, welcome to Sue and Sam's makeup room. This is Barbie. Ariel. Ugh, I'm confused.
Don't worry, she's gonna start looking like Hailey Bailey soon.
Heads off. You'd see something like that only in a circus. The actress and musician Hailey Bailey is gonna be a new Ariel in the upcoming live-action movie. Oh, I can't wait to see her in it.
Haircut check, but casting is still on. We need more actors for leading roles.
Let's remove the leftovers of the hair with the tweezers.
Susan, I've got an idea. Coffee could flake and trident.
Okay, now we'll paint her head red so that there won't be head spots between hair strands. Wow, do you hear that, guys?
Susan, maybe I could play Ariel myself.
Let's leave that to our doll. Check out these gorgeous hair strands. We'll grow her hair from scratch using an awl for this.
Oh, careful, Susan. Even Ursula wasn't that cruel.
Oh, Sammy. Don't worry, guys. The doll is fine. And you can ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Or you'll get something like this.
Hailey's Ariel is going to be very curly. So we'll unroll the yarn strands to get more natural locks.
Is Ariel in danger?
Awesome! Now we need to take care of her pretty face. First, let's remove the old makeup to create something brand new.
That's too much. Ariel, I will save you. Sea Witch, I demand.
Hey, Slime Prince, finish with her makeup, please.
Sure.
And if I'm the Sea Witch, then let's do some magic. In the original story, Ariel wanted to get legs. So in our twisted version, let's get her a tail.
It's so evil, Susan. I love it.
I'm getting into my character. And it's not that easy, you know.
Adults, I need some help here. That's what you should do, guys, if you get stuck on this step.
It should be much easier with the second leg. Hop? Great.
Oh, I have a new idea for Ariel's hairstyle. Be right back.
All right. In the meantime, guys, we can start making a perfect fishtail. We're going to use wires to make a steady T-shaped frame.
Oh, she's like a robo mermaid now. That certainly is a modern fairy tale.
Would you like to watch that version of the Little Mermaid? Then give us a thumbs up. Here we go. The wireframe is almost ready. Sammy, what about the hair?
Only a couple of details left.
Okay, let's change the topic for a bit. Wanna hear some ASMR?
Oh, Susan, you need to do more of that.
Oh, really? Was it that good?
No, I mean you need more practice. By the way, what is the aluminum foil for?
It's very bendy, so we can shape the tail as we like.
Can I shape myself too? What a cool choice of props!
Guys, we've finished with the foil shape and secured it with tape. Now, Ariel, it's time to strike a pose. Here we go.
Come on, princess, give me more angles!
Stop! No paparazzi before the premiere.
What?
She's sitting now, but the tail still looks kind of weird. Check this out. Some clay will help us finish the sculpting.
Susan, hurry up! I'm waiting for Ariel at a body art session!
Got it.
Susan! We're behind schedule! I've already found actors to play Flounder and Sebastian!
I'm almost done. Let's make an opening right here.
Oh, finally! Superstars are so hard to work with!
Are you referring to me? You need to relax, and I'll start blending her skin with the tail. Here we go.
Susan, I'm already full of energy and ready to work with my brush tentacles!
And I just need to make a few more brush strokes here.
Huh? But her tail wasn't brown!
I remember that, Sammy. Oh, I love how the goat hue makes her tail so shiny.
And Hailey Bailey's with me. Did I capture her features well?
She's amazing! Guys, give us a thumbs up right now if you agree. I just want to add more colors and glitter to her makeup.
And it will shimmer underwater. So cool!
You've grown some scales? Do you want to live underwater too?
No thanks. I'm not so good with sharks.
Besides, I need you on the land more.
Susan, do you think mermaids can grow long eyelashes underwater?
If you did that, then mermaids defo can.
But mine are blocking the view. I better take them off.
I'm gonna shorten these eyelashes too.
Shiver me chatters! Our imagination and craft skills transformed the doll into something awesome!
Guys, just check out all this glitter that Sammy added to her hair.
I worked really hard on that. Susan, don't you think we should add some blush to her body?
Sounds great, Sammy. Guys, let's shade the mermaid's body using some blush, glitter, and highlighter.
And while Sue's doing that, I'll prepare a surprise!
There. And we can make a base for Ariel's iconic top from seashells.
You can make anything from shells, even a perfect underwater armor!
There aren't enough scales though. New Ariel has them even on her torso.
I wish I could grow some fish scales on me.
Well, you're definitely good at growing ideas in your head.
Oh, that's right! Wait for the next stage, guys! We'll start with a big bombshell! Pow, sidestep right left to my beat, woohoo! I like the moon rock with me, baby! Now that I got that...
Huh?
Hey, I didn't say wet!
Sorry, Sammy, but we need to start decorating her tail.
Guys! That's better. We interrupt our music program with breaking news! Ariel is starting to have scales on her tail!
Yep, and we're gluing them with an overlap.
301, 302. Sue, how many scales are there?
About 1,000 more?
Shiver me chatters! Ariel, you must try harder to grow the scales faster!
Guys, I know it seems like a huge job to do, but it's totally worth it. Well, after some time, you'll get this beautiful fishtail.
Wow, she can dive right into the ocean!
Not yet. She can't swim without her fins. Did you get them?
Oopsie. I still can't figure out the construction, but I'll do it quickly!
Oh, I'm sure you will. Then we have some time to color this top.
Sue, check this out! I'm a slime fish!
Wow, you're a good swimmer. But I'm also waiting for the third fin.
Hail Tibbidabba! How could I forget about the third fin?
We're gonna use 3 colors for the seashells, a purple base, then indigo, and some black. This will create more volume. Remember this trick, guys! Huh? Hey, what's going on?
Sorry, I just really wanted to try those fins on her.
They look awesome. Will you teach me how to make them?
Okay, I'll bring the materials.
Let's use beads to make some decor and accessories. Our Ariel is an ocean fashionista. Does that sound like a new plot twist?
It sure does. I'm gonna add that to the script.
We're making the last and the biggest fin. Huh? We've placed the wireframe in between the film pieces. And snap, that's what we get after heating it.
But now we have extra film here and there. Cut it out.
Guys, be very careful with the scissors. Here we go.
Do you mind if I attach it myself?
Not at all.
I feel like a prince next to our Cinderella. Ariel!
You dare to upset our princess? Move away!
Oh, I didn't know that flounder in this version of the story would be so intimidating!
I know a way to win his trust again. We'll make Ariel a shell.
Alright, but Sue, will you help me?
Of course. Let's get started.
This doesn't look bad at all!
Do you know what will make the shell even prettier?
La la la! Pearls for sure! I was also hired as a royal stylist, so I made Ariel new earrings!
That's great. And I'll add this finishing touch and we're done. Guys, do you think producers will like our version of the story and characters?
Support us with a thumbs up if you like this craft. Let's make it trendy!
Oh, I can't wait to watch the live-action movie.
Bye-bye, boys and girls!
We'll see you in the next video. Bye!